Hello dear children, I welcome you all to computer class, and today we are going to read and understand the part 2, the rest of the part of lesson 2 using Windows 10. So let's start our class. So let's start reading from the topic changing the wallpaper. So what is a wallpaper? Wallpaper is the background picture of a desktop. So a wallpaper adds beauty to the desktop. You can change the wallpaper according to your liking. Now to change the wallpaper, follow these steps. First, right-click on a blank area on the desktop. A list of options appears. Second is select the personalized option. And the third one is the personalization window opens up with the background category already selected. Click the box below background. A list of options are presented. You can choose either a picture, solid colors, or a set of pictures as the background of the desktop. Now, to choose a picture as the wallpaper, select any picture under choose your picture or click browse to choose a picture from your computer. So in this way, we can change the wallpaper of our desktop. Components of the taskbar. So taskbar is the horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the desktop. You have learned about it in class 2. So what are the components of the taskbar? Start button, search box, task view, pinned programs and file explorer, notification area and show desktop button. So these are the 6 components of the desktop. So start button. The start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When we click it, the start menu appears. The start menu shows a list of options to perform various tasks on the computer. We can start a program, search for a program, shut down the computer, etc. using the start button. Now, the Windows key open the start menu. As you can see in the picture, a window key is given. Next is search box. The search box helps us find anything on the computer or the internet. Window key plus capital S open the search bar. Now last one is task view. To the right of the search bar is the task view button. As you can see in the picture, it helps the user view open windows. The user can easily switch between open windows or close them using the task view. So the next one is Pen Programs and File Explorer. To the right of the task view are a few pinned programs and the File Explorer. Few commonly used programs or applications are already pinned to the taskbar, thus saving users time in searching those. Users can also pin frequently used applications on the taskbar. The icons of open applications are also seen here. The taskbar provides a shortcut to view and open any pinned applications. The File Explorer, we can see the icon of File Explorer provides users a shortcut to view the contents of the computer. Next is Notification Area. The notification area is located at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. It displays system, messages, date and time. So this is notification area. Next one is show desktop button. To the right end of the notification area is the show desktop button. It is a thin vertical shortcut bar to view the desktop. This button, when clicked, minimizes all open windows and displays the desktop. On clicking it again, the previously opened windows are displayed on the screen. So, by clicking on Show Desktop button, we can view the desktop. Window key plus capital D shows the desktop. So, this is the shortcut to open the desktop. Next is moving and locking the taskbar. The taskbar is usually located at the bottom of the desktop. We can change the position of the taskbar to any of the four sides of the desktop and even lock its position to one side. To change the position of the taskbar, we need to follow few steps. The first one is right-click a blank area on the taskbar. Uncheck lock the taskbar in the options. The taskbar can now be moved. Next is using the left click of the mouse, press and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. To lock the position of the taskbar, follow these steps. The first one is right-click the blank area on the taskbar. A list of options appears. Then select the lock the taskbar option and the taskbar is locked. Next one is changing date and time. So how can we change date and time? We can also change the date and time on the computer. To change the date and time, we need to follow these steps. The first one is right-click the date and time display on the taskbar. A list of options appears. Second is click adjust date time. Next is the date and time window is displayed. To set the time zone, click the box below time zone and select your locality or choose a city close to the place you live in. And in this manner, we can change our date and time on the computer. So dear children, I hope the chapter is clear to you. Now your homework is read the chapter 2 using Windows 10 thoroughly with correct spellings and proper pronunciation. I will see you in the next session. Till then, study well, read the chapter, complete your work on time and take care. Bye-bye and thank you.